Hello, Gizzard Gary here. 2 months ago, I released a video called A Word with a Bird Number 2, New Gun Owners. This video is addressed to you. In that video, I said that I welcome the new gun owners who purchased firearms during the recent COVID-19 pandemic, and I meant what I said. I truly welcome you. But now a couple months have passed, and I realized that I forgot to warn you about something. Now that you are one of us, get ready to be blamed and scorned every time a shooting is reported on the news. Get ready for politicians to scream and holler, "Take away their guns." In other words, welcome to our world. Now, with the recent riots throughout the country, you probably are still glad that you bought those guns. And you should be. But now that you're a gun owner along with us, it's time to act like one. You see, we're constantly fighting for our rights. Now, they're your rights as well. So how do you fight for them? By joining and contributing to pro-Second Amendment organizations such as the GOA, the FPC, and the Second Amendment Foundation. By contacting your representatives, yes, your old friends, and telling them to support pro-Second Amendment legislation and to oppose anti-gun legislation, and by voting accordingly. You see, the struggle for gun rights is real. You helped us get into this situation. Now, I'm asking you to help us get out of it. This is Gizzard Gary, and we'll talk to you later.